Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Abhijit. So today let's discuss about the geometry and the equilateral triangle. Many more things you need to many more formulas are there to know, but we just first try to start from the triangles, that is the equilateral triangle. I give you those are the basic formula for equilateral triangle. I write down, you just take a screenshot of this, and at this side I take some questions, and I take also more few questions, so you can understand it easily. So I first let's do some formula. So equilateral triangle means it's a triangle. Here every arm of this triangle are equal. Suppose I guess the length of this arm A. Similarly, this arm, length of this arm or measurement of this arm is A. And similarly, the three arms are the equal length. Okay. So I just take a nomenclature of this. So the arms A unit. Okay. So first of all, we're talking about the perimeter of this triangle. Perimeter. So perimeter of this triangle, addition of three arms, that means 3 unit. Now we're talking about the area of this triangle. So area, you must remember it is the formula of root 3 by 4 a square is the formula of finding the area of this triangle. And one more thing, that is in triangle we must know about in every triangle the height of the triangle. So height of the triangle, it is perpendicular on BC arm. So the height of this triangle is root over 3 by 2 a unit. You must remember these three basic formula for solving the further questions, and those are important to know the basic formulas. And you just take a screenshot of this for further future reference. So I just erase. And if we talking about the general formula, so I share a plus b plus c. This is the perimeter. If I take this is every arm is a, so a plus a is equal to 3a. But suppose you just we are talking about the equilateral triangle, but since I talking about the every arm length is suppose ABC, then this is the perimeter. We're talking about the semi perimeter. Next we're talking about this, the half of the perimeter, it is called the semi perimeter, denoted by S. Okay. So when we talking about the general formula of finding the area of a triangle, that is S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C square unit. This is the general formula of finding the area of any triangle. Okay, you must remember the perimeter and the same perimeter, and then use this formula to finding root over. This is the general formula of finding finding the area of any triangle. Okay. Now I'm talking about something more. That is those are the short trick, or you just remember those for speed your speed, boost your speed. So if every length of this triangle, or any triangle for general, suppose every triangle arms every triangle, every arms of triangle increase x%. Okay, arms are increase x%. Something increase every arm increased a similar amount of x%. Then the how much area increased? So area increase is equal to 2x plus x square by 100%. Okay, and if every arm increase x%, then area will be increase this percent. And if the decrease arms are decreased x%, then area also decrease to 2x minus x square by 100%. Okay, so the general formula for every triangle, if every arm of a triangle increase x%, then the area also increase this amount, and decrease x%, then area also decrease this percent. Okay, and another formula is if the base this is the base of the triangle for this triangle base, and that is the height. So height, if base increase x% and height increase y%, then how much area will be increased? So area will increase sorry on this x plus y, x into y by 100%. Okay, this amount increase. If suppose that this is a decrease, then we assume that is a minus x. Okay, and suppose this is decrease and this is increase, then we should take a plus x and y as a minus y. You understand? When this is the formula of increase, if x% increase or y% increase, then the area also increase this percent. Okay, and suppose any of this base and height are decreases, then similar formula, just which are decrease, then take as a minus x or take as a minus y. I understand what I want to say. If decrease, then we should this term we take as a minus, assumed as a minus. So this formula can we use this formula, take minus, and we find out the how much area will be decrease. Okay, after that oh, sorry, base or height. Suppose x% increase base increase x%, and we want the area will be remain same. We need to area remain same. Then how much height in necessary to decrease? So that will be x by 100 plus x into 100%. Okay, I need to sorry, when base decrease or height need to increase, then I do this. But if suppose we need to base increase and we need to decrease the height, then we do as x 100 minus x into 100%. Okay, those are the basic formula. So the basic formula. Now we solve the questions remaining. We don't take too much time. Okay, just do as fast as possible. So the first question is a triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle, and AD is a perpendicular to BC, where D lies on BC, or D lies on BC. If AD is equal to AD, this is the length of this is 4 3 centimeter, then what is the perimeter of triangle ABC? And in this exam coming CGL 19. Okay, this is a previous year question. So very important and need to solve. So let us say AD is equal to 4 root 3. This is the height. So we know the formula of height. What is the formula of height? Root 3 2a. So if we put the value root 3 by 2a is equal to 4 root 3, so we get the value of a is equal to 8 centimeter. I got it. So find the value of the arms, then anything we can find. So is in this question they want the perimeter. What? The perimeter. They want the perimeter. So perimeter is a very simple. The 3a 24 centimeter. So the answer is option A. A is the correct answer. Okay, is the correct answer for this question. And the next question says that triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. D is a point on BC such that BD is to BC 1 is to 3. If AD is equal to 5 root 7, then the side of the triangle is what? So when we talking about the here, you must notice that BDBC is equal to 1 is to 3. That means BD is to BC 1 is to 3. We know that if any here is not mentioned that AD is the perpendicular to BC. That means that this is which talking about the D. This is not. In this question, we don't take D as this. 1 is to 3. So if we take this side, then BD and BC will be ratio will be 1 is to 3. That means that is the AD is not a height of this triangle. So and we need to draw height. Take like A is the height of this triangle, and we need to find out the side of the triangle. That means the length of the arms we need to find out. So only the given information is AD is equal to 5 root 7 and BD is to BC is equal to 1 is to 3. Okay, we take from this BD by BC is equal to 1 by 3. So we assume that BC is equal to 3x or 3k you could take. Okay, this is the our arm 3x we just take, and the says that the AD is equal to 5 root 7. Okay, no problem, but we take the height AE is equal to root over 3 by 2. Because every arm is same, so we can take 3x. So 3x, so we can find our 3 root over 3 by 2 x. Okay, no problem. D means BC. We need to find out the half of this and then find the half of this. So BC by 2 minus BD, it will be the exact. So 3x by 2 minus x, it will be the DE. So 3x minus 2x by 2, that is x by 2 is the DE. So we get the AE and DE. So and also have the value of this. So we can apply the Pythagoras formula, that is AE square plus DE square is equal to AD square. We can write this. So AE is 3 root 3 by 2 x square, and this is also square, and D also x by 2 the square, and AD is 5 root 7, so 5 root 7 the square. So I just remove this, so you can write it here and there. It is 9 to 3 by 4 x square plus x square by 4 is equal to 25 into 7. We can write this. So So x is equal to 5. It will be 5. Okay. So answer C is the correct answer. So answer C is the correct. Just here the little correction is 8, 2 and 5 and 20. Okay. So answer will be the 5. So answer will be the 5. So we just to take two questions. If you want much more question or need to practice those questions and need to more practice, just comment below. I want minimum 10 comments. So I do the further video for with many examples, only examples, so 10 20 examples for a triangle. I just take two because it needs too much of time to the complete portions need to the formulas that takes time, and the solving the maths and also needs and main problem is the writing the question here, and also take the question from books and just take much time. So if you comment below, so I can write down the to my as much possible as question, then I solve one by one. So if you think this is helpful for you little bit, then like this, that will be motivate me to making this kind of video, or more video. And thank you for watching me for the long time, and see you in the next video.